Hello friends, now I'm going to tell you about some functions which we can use with Xpath to check our response, whether our response is giving us the right result or not, so that we can validate. You can just again click on plus and go to Xpath match, click on declare, and after that you know that if I do /ID, it is going to check all the tags which are given with ID tag name. Okay, so it is going to take all of them, but now it is not going to uniquely identify a specific tag. So that means that this particular XPath is not going to be unique, and we always want a unique path. We always want a path which gives us only one result. So what we can also do is you can use a function named count and pass this as the argument, and what it is going to do, it is going to count that how many tags are there with the value ID. Okay, so as we saw earlier, there were 5. So just test it and you can see that it gives us valid result, that the count is going to be 5. And even if I have not passed any value and I click on this button, select from current, so what it is going to return me 5, because it goes and counts that how many tags are there with the tag name ID. Okay, in this way I can give some other tag also, like I can say item tag, and again this is going to be the same as ID tag, because ID is contained in item, and how many times item is there, ID will be there. So you can validate count in this manner. And let us take one more example to check whether a particular tag is there or not. So that also we can do using our XPath match. So you can give some meaningful name. As of now I am not giving any meaningful name, but it is always advisable to give some meaningful name so that they can be uniquely identified when you are checking so many assertions. So now to check whether a particular tag is there or not, click on declare again, and the name of the function which we are using is exists. In this, just pass the path to that tag. So we are giving item and /ID. So what it is going to do, it is going to check whether ID tag is present in the response XML or not. So select from current, it is going to give more than one match in current response. So let me go to do test. So it is saying that XPath contains comparison failed. Okay, it's because we haven't given anything in the expected result. So this is going to return either true or it is going to return false. So let us test out. So you can see that response matches, that this particular tag is present. If I change this to suppose IDE and test it out again, so it is going to give me a failure saying that expecting true, but in real this tag IDE was not found in my XML file, in the response XML file. In the same way I can change this to false also and test it out. So in this case it is going to give me a right result. So in this way you can just take any tag in the XML and give it here in the XPath expression, and you can just play with the validations, try different combinations that will help you to understand the XPath and the XPath match, how it is working in a much better way. Okay, so this was about XPath match. Thank you all for joining.